Here we have a 2018 BMW 330d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition, finished in an alpine white exterior paintwork. You get 4 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, as you can see just here, finished in black and complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've also got a full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, as you can tell by the side skirts and front splitter just there. We've then got these great looking daytime running lights on at the moment, and how fantastic do they look. Coming round to this corner, you'll notice we have also got the black kidney grills. We've then got our second 20-inch alloy wheels, again excellent condition. Side skirt at the bottom there. We've then got the black wing mirror, colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows of the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top. Here's a closer look at that third alloy wheel. Then as we come to the rear, we have got our spoiler just there. How great does that look? Really aggressive look on a spoiler. We've then got the black rear diffuser as well. Front and rear parking sensors with this vehicle, as well as a reversing camera. We've got a really spacious sized boot too. Now, as you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Now if we go on to the interior next, we'll start at the rear. We have got a full leather interior. How great do these seats look? ISO fixed points within the seats. We've got the fold down armrest in the middle there. In the centre here we've got our 12 volt connectivity and our temperature vent. Storage nets behind the front seats. On the doors we've got our integrated sound system. We've got all of this leather trim, which looks fantastic. We've also got our electric window control and additional storage. Coming into the front here, we've got that same full leather interior. Again, how great do these seats look? Now, on the doors here, we've got our uprated Harman Kardon sound system throughout, which sounds fantastic. Electric power folding wing mirror controls with electric window controls as well. Brushed metal handle, again, plenty of leather, giving it a really luxurious feel inside here, again with the additional storage. Now below, we've got our auto lights on our right there. Now we'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, stop button, we do have keyless start. There we go. Now we'll just wait for that to load up, and you'll see that we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've also covered just over 28,900 miles. If we take a step back, we've got our multifunctional steering wheel with different controls like cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left, engine start button just behind. In the middle here we've got our infotainment screen, so on here you'll find things like your navigation. You've then got your media. So on your media, if we go across to the left here, you'll see we've got different sources like DAB, FM and AM radio, online entertainment, music collection, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. Plenty of ways to connect your devices and listen to your music. We've then got our phone connectivity, so we can connect via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got our front and rear sensors with visual display, as well as a reversing camera on our right. We've then got different driving modes, so if I press the button just here, you'll see we've got Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. Each one of these having its own driving characteristics, so you can pick which one best suits your style at the time. Moving down, we've got our traffic alerts with on the left here with our stereo controls that go across. We've then got our heated seats for both front passengers, as well as dual zone climate control, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently with convenient shortcuts like max air conditioning. Moving down, we've got the additional storage space here, 2 good sized cup holders with 12 volt connectivity in the middle there. We've then got our gear stick, reverse neutral drive, and then if we flick across we've got manual/sport mode and park as well at the top. Traction control, we've got our different mode selects which I showed you before. We've then got our parking sensors, we can turn off the beeping just there. We've got this lovely silver carbon effect trim that continues throughout the vehicle as well. How fantastic does that look? We've then got our shortcuts for the infotainment screen, as well as our touchpad and control wheel. which is what I've been using to navigate the display during this demonstration. We've then got our soft touch leather armrest, which does also double up as storage, and you'll find a USB port in there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 330d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, unlike its final steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, it is going straight and true. Now we do have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. Now to activate, simply push the button at the bottom, use the dial to push up or down, and then it'll go to nearest miles an hour. Now to go up by 1, push up very slightly, and then to go up by 5, push up until you feel a bit of a click, and then it'll just turn nearest 5 miles an hour. Now to cancel, simply push the button twice or tap the brake, push the button, and then it will then cancel. Now at the roundabout and taking left as you would if you were driving this vehicle today. Now we can put the gears into manual mode by using the paddle shift. So I'm going to take over now. So I'm currently in 3rd, up to 4th, into 5th, and then I'm going to let the car take back over by just letting go. You can also put the car into M and S, so meaning manual mode and sport mode, by pushing the gear stick to the left, and then it'll go into M and S. And push back to the middle, and then it'll go back into normal driving mode. Now I do have very comfortable full Dakota leather front seats, which are extremely comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now we also have 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings it really does make all the difference. Now we do have satellite navigation as well as DAB radio, Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity. We also have rear reversing camera, front and rear parking sensors, and also different drive modes. So this car really does come very well equipped. Now we also have integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible as well. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealer with over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Autotrader and Car Gurus. And if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Now we do have Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, so feel free to follow us and subscribe on either platform just to stay up to date with everything RS Car Sales and see if we get into any new stock in that takes your fancy. But right now I'm coming to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop and put it straight into reverse just to show you that the brake will work exactly how you'd expect it to. And so the rear reversing camera. So pulling in now, emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse. As you can see, there's no issues whatsoever. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for anyone wanting knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. If you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.